Hi guys! So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious, easy, fresh, vegan fast food at home. Burgers, fries, and even delicious shakes. So this video is sponsored by So Delicious. They just launched some amazing new flavors. So we're going to be using a few of them in this video to make the most delicious shakes you've ever had in your entire life. So keep watching and let's get started. We're going to make 3 different shakes, one for each of these So Delicious flavors. Let's start with the peachy maple pecan, which reminds me of peach cobbler. Blend 1 cup of peachy maple pecan frozen dessert with 1 cup of unsweetened non-dairy milk. Blend until creamy. Add super thin slices of ripe peach to the inside of a chilled jar. They should stick to the sides. Then pour in the shake and top it with another scoop of So Delicious and toasted pecans. Now for the cold brew coffee shake. Blend this yummy So Delicious flavor with frozen bananas, cacao powder, and non-dairy milk. See full description for the full recipes. Place sliced bananas on the inside of a chilled jar and then fill it with the shake. Top with an extra scoop of So Delicious, more bananas, and a shake of cocoa powder. Finally, we'll make the blueberry shake using the So Delicious blueberry cardamom frozen dessert. Blend it with frozen blueberries and non-dairy milk. Top with another scoop of So Delicious, more frozen blueberries, and coconut flakes. I'm so excited to try this one. It matches my eyeshadow. I did that on purpose. Divine. And when you have a freeze brain? Brain freeze? Freeze your brain. So good. Now let's make our sweet potato fries. I like making these in the air fryer because it's so easy and you can use way less oil. Simply peel a sweet potato and cut it into evenly sized sticks. Toss with about 1 teaspoon of oil and salt, and then place them in the preheated air fryer. Cook for 5 minutes on 400 degrees. Toss them again, then cook for another 4 to 5 minutes until crispy. So I love using the air fryer because it's really so easy and it doesn't warm up the whole kitchen. And of course, you don't have to use a whole bunch of oil, so these are a lot healthier than your standard fast food fries. And they're still so delicious. So delicious. Now we're gonna make the delicious black bean burgers. Start by mincing half a red onion and a bell pepper in the food processor. Transfer that to a large bowl. Then blend up half a cup of sunflower seeds with garlic, cumin, and paprika. Once it's a grainy texture, add in a can of black beans and blend to combine. Add that into the bowl with the pepper and onion and stir it to combine. Add 3/4 of a cup of quick cooking oats to thicken. If it seems kind of wet still, you can let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes before forming it into patties and cooking. I love making these on the grill, even if it's just a stovetop grill. Oil your grill or skillet and cook the burgers on medium heat on each side for about 5 minutes. For some of the burgers, I added So Delicious cheesy shreds to the top. Toast the inside of your buns. Then smear on some vegan mayo, mustard, and ketchup, and add all the classic toppings. I'm so ready for this burger. So this one, did I get the cheesy one? No, I didn't get the cheesy one. I got the ketchup one. I like a lot of ketchup, so this works for me. Juicy. You gotta try this. I'm gonna open my own fast food restaurant. What are we gonna call it? Sweet potato soul. The pickles, the tomato, the lettuce, the special sauce, burger. It's all good. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you give all of these a try as soon as possible. So delicious, so delicious. Thanks for sponsoring. But also everything that I made today is so delicious. I can't tell you what I love the best. It's just, I was really craving fast food, so this works for me. So give it a try. Let me know what you like the best. This is a classic fast food American meal made vegan. So I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Let me know what other fast food things you would love to see veganized or that you've already veganized yourself at home. And maybe if you have been hoping for something to be veganized, hopefully maybe I can do it, help you out, maybe, we'll see. Okay, so after you leave a comment, make sure you also leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye, thanks for watching. Say bye, Cusie. Bye-bye, bye-bye-bye.